Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing Brawl Stars Dimension. That's right, guys. I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic Brawl Stars Dimension. And I just hope when I make it inside this dimension, I get to battle with all the epic Brawl Star characters. That would be absolutely amazing, guys. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 20 yellow wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground. Just like that. Right there, guys. After you have done that, then you're going to need fur black wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your yellow wool. Just like that. Right there, guys. After you have successfully done that, now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on up, grab your yellow wool, and place 5 of these on this side, with 1 black wool right on top, smack dab right on top. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on down. Ow, that really hurt. That really did hurt, guys. But now you just want to go ahead and you want to place 5 yellow wool on this side, and then 5 yellow wool right in the middle, smack dab right in the middle, and then 1 black wool on the edge. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Wow, that looks amazing. But you know what would make it look even more amazing? That's right, guys. If we lit it up with our flint and steel. So now you just want to go ahead, light it up with your flint and steel. Boom! Wow, don't that look amazing? That looks so amazing. That should definitely make you guys want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button. Wow, that really does look amazing, guys. I absolutely love it. But now it's time to head into the Brawl Stars Dimension. This is going to be so amazing. Oh my god, guys, we finally made it. And oh my god, guys, I think that's Leon. And oh my god, guys, right there's Nita. Oh my god, guys, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. I wonder if they want to be friends with me. You know, Leon is my favoriteest brawler, guys. Every time I play brawlers, I play with Leon. So if anybody's going to be my friend, it's going to be Leon. Trust me, guys. Trust me. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to take Nita out. I'm going to just go ahead. I'm just going to take her out. Oh my god, she's spinning crazy, guys. She got some mad tactics. Boom. Oh my god, I can't get her. Oh my god, she's coming at me. Oh my god, she's angry. She is angry, guys. Oh my god, boom, I took her out, guys. I took her out just like that. Oh my god, wait, there's another one. Oh my god, are you serious? Oh my god, she is really accurate, guys. She is really accurate with these arrows. And boom, I took her out, guys. Now let's go ahead and see if he wants to be my friend. Do you want to be my friend? Oh my god, Leon don't want to be my friend. Oh my god, my plan backfired. Oh my god, guys, I cannot believe this. Oh my god, there's so many of them. You know what? I'm going to take them all out, though, guys. I'm going to take them all out. Boom, take that Nita. Boom, take that. Oh my god, boom, I took her out. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and take Leon out. I really wanted to save him. I really wanted to be friends with him. But you know what? He just wouldn't let it be. He just wouldn't let me and him be friends. Boom, take that, Leon. Boom, in your face, Leon. Now who's better? Wow, I mean. I took him out, guys. I took him out because he was mean to me and he didn't want to be my friend. And oh my god, right here's another one. Are you serious? And oh my god, even Jesse's in on this? Oh my god, guys. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. Boom, take that. Oh my god. There's actually 2 Jessies. Are you kidding me right now? Well, now there's only 1 Jessie. And boom, now there's no Jessies. And boom, take that. Stop spinning. It's not going to work. It's not going to work with my mad arrow skills. Boom, take that. That's what I'm talking about. Nobody can shoot an arrow like me. Nobody. Boom, take that. Oh my god, I'm running. I'm running away from her, and oh my god, guys. Boom, take that. Boom, take that. Boom, take that. And oh, they're actually starting to take some of my hearts, guys. This is starting to get a little bit scary. Boom, take that. There's just so many of them, guys. Boom, take that. But you know what? I will be the last to survive, guys. I will be the dominant one. Boom, take that. Boom. Oh my god, whoa. She got some mad power. Some mad power, guys. But now she just went up in a like a big smoke ball. That was actually pretty funny. And oh my god, what is this? This is like some kind of house or something, guys. This is probably where I'm going to need to hide when they all come after me. Wow, that's actually really nice, guys. But you know what? Right, there's Leon. I'm going to sneak up on him. And oh my god, he's not going to let that happen, guys. He's not. Oh my god, he's shooting from over top. Boom, take that, Leon. Oh my god. I'm starting to slow down, guys. Boom, take that. Boom, take that. Boom. Oh my god, guys. It took a lot of arrows to take him out. And I just seen somebody up here, guys. I just seen somebody up here. I think it's Nita. I'm going to go ahead and take her out. I'm going to go ahead and melee her. Boom, take that. Boom, take that. Boom, take that. Ooh, I took her out real good. Real good. But wow, guys. My hearts are really starting to come down, guys. Oh my god. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. Did I take every single one of them out? I don't think I did. I definitely don't think I did. Wow, I know he took a lot of them out. Oh my god, right here's 2 of them trying to hide. Are you guys really trying to hide from me? Did you guys really think you would be able to hide from me? You guys can't hide from me. I will be the Battlestar Champion. Oh my god. Boom, take that. Ooh, I took both of them out. Oh my god, over here's another one. I'm going to take Leon out. Boom, take that, Leon. Boom, take that. Ooh, it only took 2 shots to take him out. Wow, guys, that was easy. Boom, take that. Oh, she's going to try to get me. Boom, take that. I don't think she knows where they're coming from. I don't think she knows where they're coming from. Oh, I took her out, guys. I took her out. You know what? The next one that I see, I'm going to blow up with some TNT. That's right, guys. The next one that I see, I'm blowing up with some TNT. Oh, it's not your lucky day. It's not your lucky day. Jesse, you're gone. I'm so sorry, Jesse. I'm so sorry. I'm not sorry. Boom! Take that. Oh my god, she actually went flying up into the air, guys. That was actually pretty cool. That was actually pretty cool, guys. And oh my god, was she hiding on a command block? That is crazy, guys. That is crazy. Oh my god, I wonder what she was planning on doing with that command block. But you know what, guys? I'm going to keep finding them. If they're in this dimension, I'm going to take them out, guys. I am definitely going to take them out. If there's any of them left in this dimension, I am taking them out. And I will not stop until I take all of them out, guys. And me and my pig reign supreme. Won't we reign supreme? What? You're joining their side? What? I can't believe that. I can't believe that. You know what? You'll come back once I take them all out and then become champion and supreme leader. You'll come back, won't you? Nah, he's never coming back. Until he gets hungry, and then he's gonna come back. That's usually what happens. But oh my god, guys, I think we might have actually took them all out. I cannot believe this. Oh my god. We actually just went in a full circle. I actually took them all out. Oh my god, guys, that is amazing. I thought it was going to chase me down, and then I was going to have to stay in this little camper thing right here, guys. I'd have just had to like hang out in this log cabin and had to wait for them to like all leave. But I actually ended up taking them all out. Wow. I wonder how many of them I took out. I had to have at least took out like 30 of them, guys. Wow, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing. Let me go ahead and see if I can find my pig. Oh, right there he is. What the heck is he doing? Oh my god, guys. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe that I took every single one of them out. Now who you gonna be friends with, pig? What, you still don't want to be friends with me? No, he does. He loves me. Don't you love me? Yeah, he does, guys. He's been there since the beginning. He's been there since the beginning. But wow, guys, I cannot believe that we are officially the Brawl Star. That's right, guys. I took every single one of them out. That was absolutely insane, guys. Wow. That was crazy. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Oh, and also let me know down in the comment section below who's your favoriteest Brawl Star. And you could even include me in that comment. Like, if I'm your favoriteest Brawl Star, I would totally understand, guys, because I am cool. Really cool.